Hey friends, it's Corey from Hey Let's Make Stuff. In today's video we are doing a quick review of the HOTO hot glue gun. So my husband came home from Costco a while back and he said, I have a present for you, and he brought me a glue gun because he knows the way to my heart. So in this video I'm going to tell you all about this glue gun and I'm going to tell you whether or not you should get it. Now this glue gun is more expensive than the standard sort of $5 glue gun you might get at the craft store, and there are a couple reasons for that, and you can decide for yourself whether or not you want to pay it. So at Costco, my husband got this for $30. It included the glue gun itself, 40 clear glue sticks, and a carrying case. You can also get a similar bundle on Amazon, but you just get the glue gun, you get 30 clear sticks and 10 colored sticks, and that one's $50. So that is really expensive compared to other glue guns on the market. So let's talk about what makes this glue gun different than any other glue gun that you've used. So you'll notice here that it doesn't have the same kind of trigger that you would see in a normal glue gun. Instead of having sort of a trigger that you're going to have to pump to actually get the glue to go through, it just has this very light trigger here. And there's a mechanism inside here that actually pushes the glue through for you. And I have to say, as someone who deals with chronic hand pain, I really like it. Glue guns are one of the hardest things for me to use with the particular type of hand pain that I have, and this glue gun basically means that I don't have to grip in the same way, and it is so much easier for me to use. Now let's compare the HOTO glue gun with a typical glue gun. So this is the SureBonder. This is actually my other favorite glue gun. I have a whole bunch, but this one is definitely my favorite. It has a very fine tip. It has a stand. I feel like it works really well. It stands up really easily. Overall, I really like this glue gun, and it's the glue gun I've been using for years. But if we go to the overhead here, I want to show you a difference between these two glue guns, and it's in the trigger. So with a traditional glue gun, you are going to have a trigger here, and you are going to have to pump the trigger to get the glue to flow through the gun. With the HOTO glue gun, we have a much smaller, light pressure trigger, and the trigger itself doesn't actually force the glue through. There is a mechanism inside the glue gun that basically pulls the glue through when you just press the trigger. So instead of having to sort of pump the glue through, right, this motion right here for me is very difficult with my hand pain. But with this glue gun, you just have to hold down the trigger and it does all the work for you. Another thing I really like about this glue gun is that it is rechargeable, so there's no cord. I'm not wired. Obviously, you can get other glue guns that are wireless. SureBonder makes one, but I do like that this one is cordless. I also like how quickly this heats up. So the SureBonder here takes a few minutes. Honestly, it's not that much, but the HOTO actually only takes about 30 seconds, which is really great. And when you look at them like this, you'll notice that it's not tilted forward, which means that it's generally not leaking glue all over my table. Other glue guns are tilted forward, and so often they will leak just a little bit of glue. You'll get drips and things like that. I've not had any drips with the HOTO. And then finally, and really it doesn't matter at all because it's a glue gun, this one's pretty cute. A few years ago, Cricut came out with their own glue gun, and honestly it was just a slightly prettier version of a regular glue gun. There was really nothing special about it. It had no features that I particularly liked. This is the glue gun I think Cricut should have created. This solves several problems with this. It is a better glue gun. Now, of course, it is a lot more expensive, so you have to decide if those features are worth it for you. I went to turn this on and I realized that it's actually not charged. So, all right, I turned this on to heat up and it started heating up, and then of course my charge died, so I have it plugged in now, but I do want to talk about a few of the things that you should be aware of before you buy this glue gun. The first thing I noticed when I started using this glue gun is that the first time I used it, it basically ate an entire stick of glue before it started dispensing. So with a glue gun like this, you can actually see that glue stick, right? You see the little thing pressing the glue stick, you can kind of see it. But with this design, the whole glue stick went inside, and I was like, how is there a whole glue stick in there? And of course it started dispensing at some point, but I was just shocked that the whole glue stick fit in there. So obviously you'll just keep feeding it glue sticks like you do any other glue gun, but it was just one of those things that I was a little surprised about, like, wow, that thing ate an entire stick of glue. Another thing you should be aware of is the compatibility. So these are just regular mini glue sticks. Obviously you can get those anywhere. It comes with some, but it's not gonna feed those nice big chunky glue sticks. I really do think this glue gun though is really built for something like this hot glue roll. So this is 3 feet of glue. So if you are doing a lot of gluing and you don't wanna constantly feed glue sticks in, I think this is a really great option. I will go ahead and link it down in the description below as well, because basically all you have to do then is just press this little light press trigger and you have 3 feet of glue to work with. And if you are hot gluing a lot, I think this plus this is going to be a really great solution. Also be sure just what bundle you're getting. So like I said, I got this one at Costco. I don't know if your Costco is going to have it. I thought it was a really good deal at $30 at Costco. The deal I see on Amazon right now is $50, and that feels a little expensive to me. I mean, it may be worth it for you if you have hand issues, but $50 for a glue gun is a bit pricey. So just be aware of what you're getting, where you're getting it. You know, there might be other sites you want to go look at. I will go ahead and link to the bundle I found down on Amazon, but definitely shop around and make sure you're getting the best deal. Now let's take a look at how it works. So I have my dark matte here, and I'm really hoping that you're going to be able to see how well it works. It does make a little noise because there is a mechanism in here that is pushing that glue through, but all I have to do is grip on the thing here, and it dispenses the glue for me. All right, so you can see my line here. It's fairly even. It went slower than it normally does, and I think it's because it has barely any charge. So normally it goes faster than what I showed you in this video. It is still a little bit slower than a hand crank glue gun if you're just like cranking out glue like this. However, again, if you have hand pain or you want a more precise line, this might be the glue gun for you. All right, so here's my crafty verdict. Is this the glue gun for you? At $30? Probably. I think this is a $30 glue gun. I would be happy to pay $30. $50 at Amazon makes it a bit of a harder sell for me. However, if you hot glue a lot or if you have hand problems, especially if you have hand problems, I do think it's probably worth it, just because it does not have that gripping motion that you get with every other glue gun on the market. It might also be really good if you do a lot of hot gluing, and even if you have normal hands, after a while, that can really start to bother your hands. I will say, now that I have it, it is my go-to glue gun. I have not used my little Surebonder since I got this one. It is just so much easier for me. Would I recommend it for somebody who like pulls it out once or twice a year for a school project? Absolutely not. But if you hot glue a lot, I think this could be a really great option. If you found this video of the HOTO glue gun helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions about this glue gun, go ahead and leave those down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Follow my channel for more crafty content. I'll see you next time.